Hello, this is my formal analysis of The Wounded Deer, which is a painting by Frida Kahlo made in 1946, and the media is oil on masonite. The scale of the painting has the deer very large in the middle of the painting, and the deer takes up most of the painting. The trees near her are also very large. The arrangement of the trees have them surrounding her, almost as if she is being closed in or trapped. An illusion of 3D space is created as the trees at the front of the painting are larger, but as you go back in the painting, the trees get thinner to make them seem smaller and farther away. There are mostly natural curved contour lines on the deer, especially in her antlers, on the arch of her back, and on the underbelly of the deer. But the lines are more straight when you talk about her legs or the branches, and even become jagged when you look at some of the trees with the broken branches, especially the one in the front right. The deer is brown and has darker spots near her back legs and the middle of her body, and is covered in red from the blood that the arrows shot into her. The light seems to be coming from the front, as the front of the path is illuminated, as well as the front of the trees, but as you go back farther, the light seems to dissipate, and the back of the path is about black. The light also seems to be coming from the right, as the right side of the trees are illuminated, but the left side are covered in shadow. The trees have a texture that makes them look rough to show the bark. The path ground is rough and pebbly, and there is a pattern made by these trees. The trees are right next to each other, almost creating a wall around this deer that travels almost completely around her, except for a small space where you can see the water and the sky.